start like a joke to make only the mask still existing in Venice because I lived there for 7 years.
We have been in another place, another neighborhood here, very near the historical park. Maybe you have seen it. You go there. Okay.